This section of my video will show you some tricks and some tools that you could use either online or offline using the Mirador. So right now I'm offline, so it means that I'm disconnected from my unit. It's like working remotely after your measurement on the field. So the measurement have been downloaded. This is what we had previously, the measurement that we took together. So what we can do is to play with the measurement. So let me show you over here under display. So if we want to make a more accurate cursor position, we can remove measurement. So it's like zooming into the measurement itself. So we can look at it or just looking to the envelope. It's like the energy. So by looking at it, it's like adding a filter. I'm just looking to the energy. So I may say, okay, it's right here. So I can do it for all of them. So this one just looks nice. This one could be a little bit off from the left. And lastly, this one a little bit left. So this is something that we can do. Look at the envelope or the energy itself. Let me put them back all together, but could be like this, but it's a little bit harder. Measurement. This is what you did. Well, this is what we did. And the cursor. This is what I like to play with. So it says the measurement for the channel number 1. This cursor over here is placed at this time precisely compared to the electric channel. So see the electric channel over here. So the time from the electric to channel 1 over here is 43 microseconds. So the distance on the steel, on my steel plate would be equivalent to 24 centimeters. And if you take a ruler and go back to my plate, you'll see that it could be anywhere within a diameter of 24 centimeters. So same thing, but let's look for channel number 4. So the time between the electric and that moment over here where I place a cursor is 17 microseconds. So it's 8 centimeters, 8.8 from sensor number 4. But with only one sensor, we get, let's say, a spheric possibility. With 2 sensors, we get a line. Let's say it's not 3-dimensional. It gets a line, but with 3, we get the intersection of all those 3, so we get points. And then we have the calculator. So let's try it. Did it? Oh, I move it. I did the wrong thing, but you get the points. So as we move the cursor, we get different location. We got 3. If I move this one here, so I got 2. So the location gets different.